Are we on?
We're on.
We're on, and today is the final stadium update.
I can't believe it's the final stadium update since we've been doing these since January.
I know, we've done quite a few of them.
Whew.
And now you'll be seeing the final.
Yes.
So right now we're standing in the parking lot, the new parking lot, and there's not a construction building in sight.
No,
in here.
everything's gone.
Everything's gone. The fences are up. It looks really nice. And so we will give you the last of our tour starting from the parking lot. Hey, so there you have it. What a stadium update.
I am just so incredibly thankful for all the work that's been done here. It's
Absolutely.
going to be so much fun being able to use these facilities, and
I know it's going to be great because I mean, it's the long project is finally ended. Man, all the things we'll be able to do out here.
Yep. And it started, I believe, back in 2007.
2007.
Yeah.
Wow. With the first planning part of it?
When everything started 14 years ago.
Wow.
So this has been a long process.
Long process, and now what we have is a beautiful facility that'll last another 100 years.
We hope, at
We
least.
hope. Hey, as long as Lake Ripon doesn't show up again on the track, I'm going to be happy.
I think we're safe from that.
I think we're safe for a while. So enjoy watching this last stadium update.
Yes, and thank you, Ripon Community Athletic Foundation, for all of your hard work, fundraising, and seeing this project come to completion.
That's right. If you want to see the whole thing, just go back and watch all the videos.